Want to upload a YouTube short from your phone but don't know where to start? Whether you're on an iPhone or an Android, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your short live in under 60 seconds. Let's dive right in. First, open the YouTube app and make sure you're signed into your account. At the bottom center of your screen, tap the plus icon. From the pop-up menu, select Create a Short. If you already recorded any video, simply tap the gallery icon in the bottom left corner to open your camera roll and select your video. Once it looks good, tap Done and let YouTube process a clip. After you hit Next, finally let's get ready for the world. Add a catchy title to caption your short, set your visibility to public, select your target audience and adjust your comment settings. Smash the upload short button at the bottom right. Just like that, your short is live. If this helped you out, please let me know in the comments and subscribe for more quick tutorials.